What's up, guys? It's time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price. And yes, we are not only going to talk about Bitcoin, since I made a little bit more detailed chart analysis on Ethereum yesterday, and I also showed you my Ethereum short trade. I for sure also want to give you guys an update on Ethereum in today's video, because in the past, especially in the bear markets, Ethereum has been a leading indicator for Bitcoin actually most of the time. So now let's just jump right into the charts. As always, guys, I would appreciate it if you could smash up a like here on today's video to push the YouTube algorithm a little bit as well, because the information today are for sure something that everyone on crypto YouTube should see right now. So guys, I really appreciate it if you could smash up a like, share this video with your friends, leave a comment down below, subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. And now let's just jump right into the charts. We talked about the triple top, or also this massive head and shoulders pattern on Ethereum, the weekly time frame. In my last video, I showed you a small Ethereum short position that I had open, and since then Ethereum has massively corrected to the downside once again. Now in the final hours before our weekly candle is going to close, we have to keep in mind here that Bitcoin broke down as well. So Bitcoin for sure also pulled down Ethereum even more, while Ethereum was already relatively bearish. But now switching on the smaller time frames, we have to say that Ethereum now has been dumping for pretty much almost or 10 weeks now. Red weekly candles, 10 in a row. So there is a high chance that we are going to see a relief rally. At least this doesn't have to be the bottom, but a relief rally on Ethereum is for sure not unlikely. That's why I also already closed my Ethereum short position now. And as you guys can see, I am only remaining in my Bitcoin long swing position that I will also keep open for quite some time. I will scale it up if we reach the liquidation price at the $22,000 level, and I will make sure that this long swing trade will stay open even if the Bitcoin price should wick down to the $18,000 level. By the way, guys, if you want to use the information from my videos and use the information that I'm giving you guys upfront about my trades, if you want to use that as well, guys, make sure to go to the description down below and sign up through my affiliate link on FEMAX in the description down below. FEMAX, my absolute favorite exchange for actively trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And guys, with my affiliate link, you are actually receiving up to $4,500 in first deposit bonuses. And on top of that, every week, 5 traders that are trading below my FEMAX affiliate link are getting their trading portfolios doubled. Every single week by FEMAX directly, 5 traders are getting their trading portfolios doubled. So make sure you make use of that. It's just another bonus on top. It doesn't cost you anything extra, because I am just receiving a small share of the fees you are paying on FEMAX anyways. So guys, make sure to use my affiliate link while trading. This supports me, and I can make sure to, through that, provide you with completely free content. So thank you for every single one of you that is trading through my affiliate link. But now, guys, let's not only talk about Ethereum, because like I said, at Ethereum, we are just right now in a free fall. We don't have much chart patterns to look at. But on Ethereum, this is actually looking a little bit different, because on because on Bitcoin, guys, let's go over to Bitcoin. There is something definitely extremely interesting happening, and for sure something that is more bearish than bullish. Because if you remember, we talked about in my last video this massive M pattern that we saw on the daily time frame, which already broke to the downside. And this chart pattern had a breakdown target of, let me show you, it's not perfect, but as you guys can see, this chart pattern had a breakdown target of the $27,000 level. And this price target was now already reached. But we talked about in my last video already that if that M pattern breaks to the downside, also our big broadening wedge would see a bearish breakdown to the downside. And as you guys can see, the daily candle opened, it directly dumped to the price target of the M pattern, but also now we broke out of our broadening wedge. The broadening wedge doesn't have a massively bearish price target. It's only a very, very small price target that is here to expect it to be maybe reached by the bears. And look at this, it is almost exactly our 11-year support on the weekly time frame. So as I already told you more than 2 weeks ago, the likelihood of the first wick, because guys, in TA, wicks always get normally filled up with candle closes after the wick occurred. So for this reason, I already told you guys there is a big likelihood of this wick getting filled up at some point with daily candles. This could have happened after we pumped back to $40,000. So this was nothing that was guaranteed in the immediate short term, but in the long term, this tends to happen. And after this M pattern, I mean, the bears now have a perfect breakdown target with now in combination of the broadening wedge to reach the 11-year support here on the weekly time frame once again. And yeah, pretty much by that closing the wick, and let's see what happens. I mean, the big broadening, the big falling wedge on the weekly time frame, we are breaking it to the downside with the current weekly candle, which is about to close in 12 hours. So if we don't get above the $29,000 level, I mean, this is for sure a bearish breakdown, and this is happening out of a bullish chart pattern right below or right below the current price. There is the 11-year weekly support. So it's definitely not a sign of strength that we are breaking out of a bullish chart pattern to the downside right while being at 11-year, the strongest support that Bitcoin pretty much has in its entire history. And still a bullish chart pattern on the weekly time frame is right now breaking to the downside. So guys, be careful. Like I said, I am remaining in my Bitcoin swing long positions. I won't close them out. I will make sure to scale them up while we are going down. And like I said, guys, since we are dumping so massively on Ethereum, I decided to close my Ethereum short just because a relief rally is something we see very, very often in cryptocurrencies. A short squeeze is something that is very likely to occur at this point, because also the funding fees on the Ethereum contracts turned very bearish, very negative. So in the case that Ethereum is pumping to the upside once again, I will make sure at the 0.6 Fibonacci, I will update you about this in my upcoming videos anyway. So just subscribe, activate the bell. Like I said, sign up through FEMAX with my affiliate link at the very top of the description. Secure yourself up to $4,500 in first deposit bonuses. And like I said, traders trading through my affiliate link, actually 5 of them get their portfolio doubled every single week. So make sure you make use of that as well through my affiliate link in the video description. Now, thank you everyone for smashing up the likes here on today's video. Maybe we can reach 1,000 likes. Make sure to share it. Make sure to also leave a comment down below to push the YouTube algorithm, because this information, if you watch till now, you probably agree, it's very important and everyone on crypto YouTube should see it. We are going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.